Hello, here in this video I will show you how to change the spark color here, the sparks color of CW Fuse. Here we have all the options to change the sparks, the amount and so on, but sometimes you want maybe change the colors of this default sparks. To do this, you select your CW Fuse object and switch to the material part here in the properties and change the material to CW Fuse version 1 Sparkle 1. So this is the material that we have added to the sparkles here. To change the material, you have to go to the shader editor and then you can change the color. The color here, the spark color, is placed here in this group. So when I change the color, I can change it and see a new color. At the moment, you don't see much difference because this color is added to one of the objects, to one of the sparks. So this is spark 1, spark 2, and so on. So to see the sparks, you go into the CW Fuse sparks, and there you can see which one will be changed then. So for example, when I change this one and change the color, let's say to pink, then it will be changed to pink. We don't see very much because the spark is maybe not thin or too small to see it. But there is another way, a global way to change the colors. To do this, you go into this group, because inside the group, the color can be changed also, and the changing there will be used for all the objects that are using this group. You see it here, the 6 here, or this 6, gives us the information this group is used by 6 objects. So let's go into the group with top and then change the color. Here you have a small global options element. In this element you can change the values. The first one is the interruption value. It's used for the gaps here. When I change them, I can change the gaps globally inside my shader. But what we want is we want to change the global sparks color. I've used a ramp here to create different colors. If you want, you can now change this ramp or create a completely new color. So for example, we use the yellow here and change it, for example, to pink. And the same can be done here and so on. And now you see the colors begin to change. If you don't see it directly, you can switch the bloom off. And then we can see here all the colors that are used here inside the ramp. So in this way, you can choose or you can change the global colors information for your sparks. If you want, you can add a single color or a constant color just by replacing this ramp and adding a color in it. So for example, you're looking for the RGB node, and let's say we want to create a blue custom or a blue constant color, so I can plug this into the A and we will get a blue result like this one. This is the way how you can change the colors here. But I recommend you to use here the global sparks colors and change the ramp. So at the moment the ramp diffusing or the ramp blur is made by the interpolation is made or set to cardinal. You can change it also, for example, to constant, and then you have interruptions and see here the different colors interrupted. But I suggest you to use cardinal, and then you can change the color and make it colorful if you want and so on. For example, here to a green one. So all ways are open to you how you want to use it. In this way, you can use and create very interesting effects like this one. So you see, it's very easy to control the colors of your sparks. Thank you for watching.